Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Airtable Base Builder, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the Airtable website URL. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your Airtable account dashboard. From the dashboard, identify the Bases section. Click on the base you wish to work on. This will open the Airtable Base Builder interface. Once in the Base Builder, you can start editing and customizing your base. If you have any issues logging in, double-check your email and password. You can also try clearing your browser's cache if you encounter problems. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a smoother experience. Enjoy building your Airtable bases effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.